Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Loudly, generate AI music loops step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type loudly.com and press enter. Once the Loudly homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, type your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you have entered your email and password, review the information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Login button. Wait a moment while your credentials are processed. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can start generating AI music loops. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can also try resetting your password if you are unable to log in. Now that you're logged into Loudly, explore the features available to you. Enjoy creating your custom music loops. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.